So we have an animatable version, and I'm going to offload it quickly. And I wanted to show you how updating the models as I override the old ones will automatically be picked up by the referenced model scene that I saved a little bit earlier. I'm going to export this model and overwrite the original rig model and the advanced rig model. This is actually now going to become my starting point from which they branch. The advanced model is going to use this exact same basic rig and just have extra controls layered into it. So I'll export this model as my advanced rig model. There we go. So if I was to actually just close this down, I'm going to be re-importing this model in a second, but if I open up the reference model scene, you can see that the reference model version that I'm using is I'm using the basic rig. If I click on the Mulcore reference model, I'm using the Mulcore rig model, which has been updated, of course, and I'm also pointing it to the advanced rig, which itself is essentially this same rig here. They're just referencing them from two different locations, two different file names. And it just updates, it just keeps the changes and propagates them every time you work the character. Again, I could just offload the character if I wanted the changes to be offloaded from the scene file, freeing up valuable disk space. So now I'm going to start working on the advanced rig and branching out a little bit more. I'm just going to close this scene and pull in the advanced character. So I'll work on the rig, I'll pull in the Mulcore advanced rig.